All right, let's look at the homework 3.4, problem number 8. All right, so we want to find two positive numbers satisfy the given requirements. The sum of the first and the twice the second is 16, and the product is maximum. All right, so let's do that. So I'm going to use x for the first number and y for the second number. All right, so the requirement is the sum of the first and twice the second. So x plus 2y is equal to 16. Right? Right. Then we want to maximize the product. So we want to maximize the product. So I'm going to call this guy f of x. Right? So maximize the product xy. Right? I call it f of x since I'm going to get rid of y here. Alright, so from here, I'm going to solve for y, so subtract x, so that we have 2y is equal to 16 minus x. Then we're going to divide through by 2, so that y is equal to 8 minus x over 2. Alright, then we're going to just plug it in. So this is going to be equal to, I'm going to go ahead and distribute this. So x times 8 is 8x. And then we have a negative x squared over 2. Right? So we want to maximize this. And remember that x has to be a positive number. So we want to maximize on let's see, so we're going to have actually it's going to be a positive number. Right, then x cannot be too big because it cannot exceed the 16. Then y is going to be negative, so it's going to be up to let's see, so up to 16. Not 16 because we don't want y to be 0. All right, so we have that. Alright, so let's take the derivative. Y prime is equal to, this is going to be 8 minus, right, put 2 in front, and there's 1 over 2 there, cancel out, so you're just going to get x. Right, and so this is the derivative, so if you set that equal to 0, so we get x equals 8. Which is the critical number. Alright, then if you do a number line, just to make sure that this will give you the maximum, so if you do a number line here, and between 0 and 16, right, then I'll put the tick marks for the critical number. Alright, then if you look at the f prime, any number between 0 and 8, so I'll just apply 1. Alright, so this is going to be definitely positive. And between 8 and 16, so I'll probably try 10. 8 minus 10 is negative. So we can see that the original function f is increasing before 8 and decreasing after 8. So we know that the maximum happens here, so which is exactly what we want. All right, so the maximum value actually happens at x equals 8, and we need to find the corresponding y value. So y is equal to, right, so it's 8 minus 8 over 2. So that's 8 minus 4, so that would be 4. Alright, so x is 8, y is 4. Alright, so let's type it in. So first number is 8, and the second number is 4. Alright, let's check the answer. Alright, I came back, and looks like we got these ones correctly. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.